బీజేవైఎం జాతీయ అధ్యక్షులు ఎంపీ తేజస్వి సూర్య మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
ప్రేమేంద్ర రెడ్డి గారు, my dear brother, Yuva Morcha State President Bhanu Prakash, and all my dear Karyakartas of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Thank you so much for giving me such a warm welcome and all of your love. Thank you so much. Friends, Change Hyderabad is a massive campaign whose influence will not be restricted to the local body elections of Hyderabad. Change Hyderabad today will mean change Telangana tomorrow and change South India day after tomorrow. The whole nation today is watching Hyderabad. आज पूरा देश हैदराबाद के तरफ देख रहा है. साथियों, आज हैदराबाद में एक परिवर्तन का नया माहौल सृजन हुआ है. And the basis for this new change are the सामान्य कार्यकर्तास of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Friends, I come from Karnataka. I represent Bengaluru. There are millions and millions of Telugu-speaking people in Karnataka and in my own constituency of Bengaluru. In my interaction with the youth of Telangana, there is one thing that has always come to my mind. The youth of Telangana are one of the most talented, most capable and most hard-working youth in the country. Friends, last year I had gone to the United States of America for a program of the party. The highest number of engineers, highest number of doctors, highest number of contributing people in United States of America come from the Telugu nation of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. You take any examination of the country, IIT exam हो, IIM का एग्जाम हो, NEET का एग्जाम हो, किसी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम को आप देखिए, टॉप 10 में लगभग 50% युवा तेलंगाना और आंध्र प्रदेश से ही आ रहा है. That is the kind of talent, the kind of hard work that young people of Telangana, they all have always been doing. But this state, unfortunately in the last so many years, has not had good governance. Government is not working for the common people of Telangana. Government is not working for the common youth of Telangana. Government is working only for one family of Telangana. That is the difficulty of Telangana today. Friends, today I stand before you as a member of parliament, as the national president of the Bharatiya Janata Party Yuva Morcha. I come from a very, very common family like all of you. I am a Samanya Karyakarta of the Bharatiya Janata Party. When I contested elections last year, I had 12 lakh rupees in my bank account. But my party identifies a Samanya Karyakarta, makes them a leader and makes them a national leader. That is the Bharatiya Janata Party. एक अति सामान्य कार्यकर्ता, अत्यंत सामान्य परिवार से जो आता है वो राष्ट्रीय नेता बन सकता है, वो सिर्फ भारतीय जनता पार्टी में ही संभव है। ये हमारे पार्टी का विशेषता है। पार्टी ऑफ द फैमिली, बाय द फैमिली, फॉर द फैमिली। आप किसी इलेक्शंस को देखिए, जनरल इलेक्शंस हो या बाय इलेक्शन हो, चेहरा कौन सा दिखता है? एक इलेक्शन में केसीआर, दूसरा इलेक्शन में केटीआर, तीसरा इलेक्शन में हरीश राव, और हैदराबाद में एक चेहरा अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी, दूसरा चेहरा असादुद्दीन ओवैसी। ये सब लोगों ने राजनीति को प्राइवेट एंटरप्राइज बना दिया है। These people have made public political parties into private companies. And today, the youth of Telangana, on behalf of all of you, on all your shoulders is a very, very big responsibility. What is that responsibility? That responsibility is to change the definition of democracy in Telangana and take it back to its original definition of the people, by the people, for the people. Only the Bharatiya Janata Party can do this. भारतीय जनता पार्टी किसी एक व्यक्ति का पार्टी नहीं है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी नरेंद्र मोदी जी का पार्टी नहीं है, नड्डा जी का पार्टी नहीं है, अमित शाह जी का पार्टी नहीं है, मेरा पार्टी नहीं है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी हम सब का पार्टी है। दिस इज द डिफरेंस ऑफ द भारतीय जनता पार्टी। फ्रेंड्स, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, the young people of the country have rejected all family politics. Even just look at the map of the country today. For 60 long years after independence, Jammu Kashmir was ruled by Mehbooba Mufti's family and Umar Abdullah's family. Today, where are they? People have sent them on permanent quarantine. Come to Bihar. The sun tried so much, but the sun never rose. Even there only Narendra Modi ji's development politics won. You look at the entire country today. The young of the country have decided that politics will not be the confines of rich families and rich political kids alone. Politics belongs to common people like us. We will drive the change in the country. The same thing will happen even in Telangana today, even in Hyderabad today. Friends, this election is not just a municipal election. For Hyderabad, he added Hyderabad in the list of smart cities. They gave priority in the central allocation of funds. But what happened to the funds that Narendra Modi ji allocated? Where did it go? It went straight into the pockets of the contractors who are supporters of KCR. Friends, today we need to reimagine our cities. Cities are the future growth of the country. Cities are the engine of development for the country. We need to ensure that fast-paced development happens in the country, especially in our cities. Look at the way the BJP, whether it is in Surat, whether it is in Indore, whether it is in my own state of Mysore, in Karnataka, Mysore, whether it is in Dehradun, look at various places where the BJP is in municipal corporation. cities are clean, roads are clean, pothole free, new development infrastructures are coming up. Real estate mafia is not allowed to build apartments on lakes. There are no floods. Drainage system is kept scientific. New investment is coming. All of this development is happening in all of those cities where the BJP is in power in the municipal corporation. People of Hyderabad have given chance to the Congress. They have given chance to TRS. This is our sankalp. Bharatiya Janata Party युवा मोर्चा का संकल्प है। साथियों, मैं आज सुबह एक वीडियो देखा, MIM के किसी एक विधायक उसमें बात कर रहा था। न्यू हैदराबाद किसी के हाथ में हो फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, पुराना शहर ओल्ड हैदराबाद हमारे कब्जे में ही है। हम सबको याद है अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी कैसा बयान दिया था, वो 15 मिनट का बयान। मैं उनको आज इधर से याद करना चाहता हूं। अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी और असादुद्दीन ओवैसी, सुनिए, ये निजामुल का काल नहीं है, ये निजामुल का काल नहीं है, ये हिंदू हृदय सम्राट नरेंद्र मोदी जी का काल है। आपका कोई किधर नहीं चलेगा। साथियों, एक TRS और MIM are two faces of the same coin. आप ऐसे टॉस कर दो, हेड्स भी आए टेल्स भी आए, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। हेड्स आई विन, टेल्स यू लूज, यही होता है। अब देखिए, मैं पढ़ रहा था केसीआर जी का विजन क्या था। वो हैदराबाद को इस्तांबुल बनाना चाहते हैं। सही है नहीं? हैदराबाद को इस्तांबुल बनाना चाहते हैं। और इस्तांबुल किस राष्ट्र का राजधानी है? टर्की का। और टर्की क्या है? 100% मुस्लिम कंट्री। और टर्की का जो प्रधानी है, प्रेसिडेंट है एर्दोगान, वो भारत के खिलाफ बोलते रहते हैं। भारत में जो हिंदू रहते हैं उनके विरुद्ध वो बोलते रहते हैं। और ये केसीआर जी हैदराबाद को इस्तांबुल